Hello, I just wanna share my experience on this 2010 Honda Pilot 3.5, and for most of 3.5 engine Acura or Hondas, I have a ticking noise all over the engine. I don't know where it come from. Rattling. Is it too high? It's too high, so we usually change the timing tensioner, but it wasn't. I changed it, it's still the same problem. I have removed both cover. I did the valve adjustment, everything. I put everything back on, and it's still the same noise. Because what happened when I took the engine cover off, it was look like that. And I checked the sorry. I checked the rocker arms right here, and all was fine. No scratch, no sign of scratch or anything. Everything was looking good. And I go crazy. I have my telescope, I check the sound, I hear it from the front. It either come from the front or the back. Sometimes it's echo and you cannot tell, so you have to take both cover off, and you're gonna do valve adjustment anyway. So what happened the first time when I took the valve cover off, and it looks like that, everything looks fine, no sign of scratch or anything. So I decide to, the second time I decide to take this cover off, I put the manifold back, everything, and I started the engine. I put the coils back like that, like you see over here, and I started the engine, and I hear the ticking or rattling noise mostly come from this side right here, and this side was good. So somebody says is a intake valve or exhaust valve, and I said it can't be like that because it has to have misfire or smoking come from the exhaust, not just tapping, So the second time I took the cover off, look what happened. When it turned by itself like that, the second time I took the cover off and the rocker arm, look what I found here. When I turn it, I just turned on. I was about to take it off. Look over here, the other side. Let me focus on the other side. Look how it looked like. I thought I'm gonna see the rocker arm is bad too, but it wasn't. There's one more over here. I don't know where it go. I'll put it back like that better. This is the front bank. Yeah, this is the second one over here. Look, it's both on one side only. Something goes, can't focus. Let me go back. Clean my camera. Let's see again. Okay, let me turn the light off. Sorry, something wrong with my camera. Let me focus like that. Yeah, look over here. Look over here. See that? Both on one side. Because a lot of people like me, they said we took the cover off, there is nothing wrong, there was no sign of a scratch or anything. And the problem is you have to turn the crank manually until you see both sides of the cam, if it's both sides is good or no. Because this noise won't come from anywhere else, not the block or. And this is the front part number here. For the front bank. I have another video on my channel. Check it out for Acura TL, the back rear bank. That was a bad one, and the rocker arm was bad also. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.